This is Shoreview Drive. This is the very last scene of Back to the Future Part 3, where Marty returns to the present, and he's on the DeLorean on this track. In the distance, there was this arc that represented the bridge that was from 1885. Then Marty travels to the future. The DeLorean is on the tracks.
You're right, there's not much left.
Doc's never coming back. I'm sure gonna miss him, Jen. What the hell?
That was much more anticlimactic than I thought it would be. That was very boring.